morning, you guys. I hope you are well wherever you are. I'm out in my garden doing my morning garden walk as I usually do. Today I'm going to be doing something that has been on my list of things to learn for some time now, and I'm so excited that it's finally going to get an introduction of it. The hummingbirds are fighting. They're coming to the feeders, and I just like sitting here watching them. I have been taking little steps, little raindrop steps on teaching myself skills and really learning how to be self-sustainable with just small things. So I'm not there, I'm not on a larger scale, but I'm just really using this time as like a classroom, using this waiting room as a classroom, and just learning things as much as possible. So I have learned to garden, that's obvious. I have learned to can to some extent. I have learned how to make bread. I've really fallen in love with just scratch cooking and just really learning how to be self-sustainable. So one of the things that is on the list has been to learn how to fish. I would love to learn how to fish and be able to catch my own fish and be able to eat what I catch. So today I'm taking an introduction to fishing. It is going to be at a nature reserve here, and it is just an introduction class on fishing. So I'm not sure what it's gonna be, but it was fairly inexpensive. It was like $5 to join the class, and I'm curious and I'm excited to see how it goes. Don't really know what to expect, but I'm just excited to get out into nature and do some things. I know there's a lot of really good information on YouTube as well, and I have looked at that, but I feel like I'm more of a hands-on learner. So I just wanted to get out there with an instructor and have like an actual rod in hand. So hopefully this is the beginning of me learning how to fish. So that class isn't until like 1:30. Yeah, I think it's at 1:30. I need to confirm in my email. But that class isn't until later on today. So in the meantime, I have a couple of other things going on today. Tatiana has a soccer game, and then I need to do a grocery run. So we will be going to Whole Foods to pick up a few things, maybe Trader Joe's, not exactly sure. You guys are going to be a part of it. You're coming with me to learn how to fish today, or to an introduction class, and I'm excited. So without further ado, let's just jump into this video. The garden is looking lovely. So I have 2 baby squirrels living out here, and I've been watching them from the window. They've been into everything. Look at these black strawberry tomatoes. These red sunflowers are just gorgeous. I don't even think the camera really does them justice. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. Calendula. Beautiful. I have quite a few melons in here. So I'm excited for that. I think I might have my first ripe tomato. They're blushing. They're starting to blush. These are the these are the German Johnson. I could stay out here all day, and I need to get to soccer practice. So let's get to soccer.
All you have to do is just kind of push it forward, drop it in. That's kind of just still fishing. And then that bobber there, when that goes down under the water, that's how you know that a fish is biting.
We're just gonna stick it in here. We're just using a piece of a worm.
Okay, not the whole worm.
And slide it on there. It's kind of slimy.
That's his gills. That's how he breathes underwater.
And he's very sandy.
He is.
He fell down.
Okay.
Okay. Let him live.
You would hold that rod for me?
So fishing is done. A little disappointed I did not catch anything, but Tatiana almost caught one. I think the people kind of scared all the fish away, but we have some rods, so now that I know that I could come to this little spot and do basically what I did today, I'll come back out and try it again, because this time I did actually bait my own rod, so I was able to do that. So I'm going to try to come out on another day when it's not so busy, because it was very busy today and there was a lot of people in the water swimming where they weren't supposed to be swimming. So kind of disappointed I didn't catch anything, but I guess it was fun to get out in nature today. I guess we're going to just head home and hang out now. Maybe cook on the grill, put something on the grill, I don't know yet. But thanks for coming fishing with me, you guys.